Alrighty, so today we are going to talk about these drones. What is going on with these drones? I want everybody's opinion. I want everybody, whoever is willing to share whatever they have, whatever it is, please do. We've heard so many things. These drones are in so many different states at this point. What do we think the reasoning is behind these drones? What do we think these drones actually are? Are they man made? Are they foreign made? Are they UFO made? What's going on? What is their purpose? What are they doing? I've seen videos where it looks as if they're spraying something out of them. I've seen videos of them going to the ocean, coming from the ocean, mass numbers of them. What do we think is going on? Do we think the government is very aware of everything that's going on? Do we think they actually know precisely what this is? Do we think it's their stuff, their drones? What do we think? Please leave your input in the bottom of this video. I love to hear different perspectives. My answer isn't always the right answer. I want to hear different perspectives. I actually don't have an answer. I don't know what the answer is, but just know I'm outside looking for drones. I'm not going to lie to anybody. I'm outside. I want to see. I want to see what's going on with my own two eyes so that way I can have an opinion to put out there. Do we think do we think this is something to disguise something else that's getting ready to happen? Sometimes there will be something big getting ready to happen, and they will distract you from the fact. So the major event will be downplayed, and maybe not. I'm not saying few, but maybe instead of 1,000 people knowing about it, only 500 people know about it. Or do we think this is something to do with WAR? Are they spying on us? Do we think this is them dropping CHEMICALS? Are they spying on us? I mean, as in just Americans. What is there? What's going on? UFOs. What's going on? What's going on? And why now, all of a sudden, to this extent? Let's say if it was UFOs, why would they wait till now? And like I said, there's always been sightings. There's always been, so we can't just say that now is the first time that the UFOs that people have been claiming to see just started showing themselves. Mm, that would be a far fetched lie. They have been showing themselves, or people have been allegedly seeing them since. You know what I mean? So this isn't something that just started. So if we are thinking UFO, why why now? Why now to this extent? Now, like I said, is if this has something to do with possible WAR, and now here's another thing. All the technology we have, they're sitting here saying, oh, we don't know what it is. Oh, it's harmless. Oh, it's this. Oh, it's that. But you don't know what it is. So how can you even put those claims on something that you don't know what something is? All this technology we have, how are we not able to figure this out? Has a plane actually tried to get beside one? Has I would like to know. I would like to know the reality of what the government has done to figure out this source of drones. That's what I would like to know. What have you guys really done to research the cause, where they're coming from? What are they? What have you really what efforts have you really put in? I find it hard to believe that all these people are getting pictures, all these people are getting videos, all these people are doing this, and the government has nothing. The government has nothing. They're dependent on what we share with them. I don't even believe that. So once again, are they lying to us? They can pretty much, if they wanted to from space, they could zoom down on anybody's house. They can do anything they want. That's how great this technology is. In any country they want it. So you mean to tell me you can't zoom and see what's in that sky? It's just like the more and more you think about it, it's like So what are you really not telling us? Because sometimes it don't make sense. Sometimes some of the things that are said just logically don't make sense. You guys let me know down below what you think, what the cause of it is. Are they hiding things? Do they know? Just let me know what you think. Have a good day, you guys.